Yung first time ko na-encounter ang Beatles, I was siguro mga 8 years old. When I found out about them, may napanood akong documentary sa TV5 about the Beatles. And then napag-usapan na namin yun ng mga friends ko. And then my father found out na may hilig nga ako sa Beatles. Doon sa time na bumili siya ng gitara. Bumili siya ng gitara for me. And then I started playing the guitar. Magka-high school na ako nun. I was almost in high school when that happened. And listening to music, the Beatles, is me and my dad's way to connect with each other. Kasi my father does not, hindi siya masyadong, basta hindi siya masyadong touch or what. Iba yung way of expressing his affection sa aming mga kids. So in my case, music. I remember the time na kami ng father ko habang nag-iossi. Kaya inabot na ako nag-iossi. So habang nag-iossi kami, nakikinig kami sa Beatles, ganon. Favorite Beatle ko, tsaka siya, George Harrison. Silent Beatle, pero lahat ng songs na ginagawa ni George Harrison, pinuput niya yung soul niya doon sa particular art or song na ginagawa niya. And ayun, I hope my father was here also para ma-experience na yung Beatles, yung hometown ng Beatles, kasi fan beat siya. And he's one of the person who introduced me to the band. Ito yung parang wall of fame here sa Matthew Street. So, mga names of people who perform sa cavern sa Matthew Street. Here sa Liverpool, you can buy souvenirs here. It's just across. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you. House of Gifts. So, House of Gifts. So, ito tayo sa Liverpool 1. Sa Liverpool 1, you can go shopping. Turn right po tayo. You can go shopping sa Liverpool 1. And malapit dito sa train station. So, yung Magical Mystery Tour, pupunta lang yung mga places, museum, ikot-ikot lang. Pero hindi sila papasok doon sa house ni Paul McCartney and John Lennon. Punta na rin yung statue ng Beatles. And it's a stroll din while it's kind of raining. Konting stroll dito sa sa Liverpool. Yun nga, if I go around, I'll notice that London is different from Liverpool in terms of culture, people. It's a different world here. It's a liver bird. Yun yung para mascot ng Liverpool. Yeah.
Mami, picture na kayo.
Ito yung pier head. Galing, ganda. Ganda na structure. Structure niya old. lamig ngayon. Malamig sa Liverpool. Malamig yung kamay ko, pero I love the weather. Argentinian steakhouse. But it's colder than Baguio. Kasi talaga yung kamay ko, malamig na. Maybe because dahil nabasa ng ulan. But we're going back to the hotel. We charge konting ayusin namin yung gamit. Ako, hindi charge may camera. And then, after that, lunch. After lunch, we'll go to Speak Hall. Maybe we'll take a Grab na lang or take Uber and taxi.